How to fix mic not working in CS2. In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your mic is not working on CS2. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. First, let us check the main sound settings of your desktop if your microphone is really working. So go to the toolbar right here and right click on the sound icon and select Open Sound Setting. Now you can see here at the bottom the Test Your Microphone section. Make sure that you select here the right device, which is your microphone. So try speaking on the mic here and there should be a visual output you can see like this. If this does not work on your end, then the problem might be on your microphone or the connection. So if this works, now go to the Counter-Strike 2 app and open your console by pressing this button. Then on the console, type voice_enable space 1. After that, go to the settings and under the audio section, you can see here enable voice. Just change this to disabled, but then again, get it back to press to use mic option. This will reset the microphone and it might work for you. Then we will do the same for audio device. Pick any device in here and return it back to the device that is your microphone. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys!